Here I have XIAOMI 12T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three stripes here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So here you can enable timestamp on photos and also device watermark. And now let's check out how it will actually look like on our picture. So as you can see, here I have device name and also today's date and time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.